Are you curious about how to implement these ideas into your financial strategy? Understanding your risk tolerance and time horizon is crucial before making your decisions. Additionally, creating a balanced portfolio that reflects your personal financial goals will set you on a path to success. Diversification plays a key role in managing risk while striving for optimal returns. Investing wisely requires staying informed about market trends and continuously adjusting your strategy. Start by setting clear, achievable financial goals that align with your risk appetite. Regularly review your investment performance, and don't hesitate to rebalance your portfolio if necessary. This proactive approach will ensure you're on track to build a robust financial future. Stay disciplined and remember that success in investing often comes from patience and persistence. One investment avenue worth considering is alternative investments, such as art, collectibles, or wine. These may not be traditional assets, but they can enhance portfolio diversification. As you explore these options, remember that they often require specialized knowledge and research. Educating yourself about the market trends in these areas can lead to unique opportunities. Just as with other investments, assess their potential risks and rewards thoroughly. By broadening your horizons and considering unconventional assets, you may uncover new ways to grow your wealth over time. Alternative investments, like art and collectibles, can add unique dimensions to your investment strategy. They often behave differently than traditional stocks and bonds, offering potential value during market fluctuations. However, research is critical in this realm, as valuation can be subjective. Looking into reputable auction houses, galleries, or expert appraisers might provide essential insights. Additionally, consider the liquidity of these assets. Some may take time to sell and convert back into cash when needed. As you build your portfolio, weigh the potential appreciation of these items against your overall investment goals. With thoughtful planning and a keen eye for market trends, alternative investments could be a valuable addition to your wealth-building journey. Embrace willful learning and remain open to innovative avenues for growth. Are you ready to expand your financial horizons? Emphasizing alternative investments can enhance your overall strategy and provide significant diversification benefits. Beyond conventional avenues, incorporating assets like art, collectibles, or fine wine requires careful consideration and an understanding of market dynamics. Each of these alternative options offers unique potential for appreciation and financial growth, but success hinges on diligent research and an informed decision-making. Engaging with experts and communities in these fields can yield valuable insights, enriching your knowledge base and refining your investment choices. Keep an open mind as you navigate this exciting landscape of wealth-building possibilities. Are you prepared to take actionable steps toward enhancing your financial portfolio? Consider joining investment clubs or online forums where seasoned investors share insights and recommendations, fostering an environment of learning and support. By embracing diverse investment strategies and remaining committed to ongoing education, you position yourself to seize opportunities that can lead to financial success. Remember, the journey of investing is not just about numbers, it's about transforming your aspirations into reality while managing risks and cultivating a prosperous future.